Hello, today I will show you how to use ACF repeater field for the beginners. So we will start on the ACF repeater field. I will inform you what is the repeater field. So repeater field generally we use like we have a one custom post type or anything pages. So we are just example as the custom post type teams as available. So one teams has a multiple group or multiple members are available. So from the backends we will create one repeater field and front end side showing the members list and whatever we think achieved. So once I have show you how to the repeater field is showing, and also I will showing how to create also. So this is repeater fields I have created, and this repeater field showing inside the post WordPress post. So this is repeater fields and name is add members details, and inside the repeater fields one subfield. So this is just a repeater field and the subfields have data. So subfields we have created member name. So when I go to the post, because this fields is showing on the post, so just click on the post and click on the any post. So I click on the hello world and click on edit. So here the ACF tab is showing add members name, and this is ACF page name. And here the repeater we have already created here. Over here the name is add members details. Yeah, this is title, and inside the subfield name like member name showing like this. So in the subfield we have created the member name. This is a text field and showing like here. And also we have renamed the buttons, and I will show you how to do, but I'll just show you this is a repeater field and how it is working. And the front end side showing like this from the single.php file. So let's start for the creating repeater field for the courses. So this is a course, this is a custom post type, and the currently course one have no any repeater fields or any custom fields over there. So now we will create the course members or anything else. So course members, and just click on it. And from over here post type, so this is also post type. So post type is equal to, click on the course, and now we create one tab, members. Now create a repeater field, select repeater field from the field type option, and here add the field label on the showing from the backend user like add course members. And inside the field we have the subfields. So subfield is main, so you have added the members from over here. So click on the add field, and one text box is showing, and showing the member name, and save. So the setting is saved, and on the course pages this option is showing, one tab is showing members and one repeater showing add course members. So spelling I have corrected first, and save, and just refresh on the course. So custom field is showing like this. This is a tabs, and this is a add course member title. This is a repeater field name, and this is a sub field name, member name. So when I click on add row, so the member one added like this, member two, and so on. And just click on update. So whenever click on update, This member 1 and member 2 data are stored in the post type. This post type ID is 11. So from the backend, the custom meta table. So whenever you going to there and just find this key over there, so the data is also you can get over there. So now I'll show you the more option, like I want to change the add row button name. So click on edit to the repeater field and click on the presentation. So this is our repeater field, and go to the presentation, and here just change to member. And also I want to limit out the members to 3 members only add over there. So when click on the save changes, so here the name has been changed to add members, and already 2 members over here. So when I click on the add members for the last 3 members, the button is disabled. So add member 3 and update. And also you can change the view from over here, like currently this is a table view. Also add the block view, row view, also I will show you how to show on the front end as well. Course, I like the block view, and just click on refresh. So this is a perfect view. I'll just add some and click on the page not found is showing because we have created the custom post type, but we have not flushed the permalink. So whenever you create the post type, you must going to the settings and permalink and click on the save changes. Now going to the course and click on the view button. So the page not found is not appear, and like showing this course description. So this is a single page currently showing over here. Now we will get all this meta on this single page. So how to do this? So directly going to the single.php page. If you have separate course single.php, then change from over there. So I have a common for the post and common for course. So going to the Sublime text editor. So this is we have already added code for the post type single post. So on the single.php, here the content come from this path. So on the content dash single file have our code placed. So I want to add this code again, and here just comment course members are showing from here. So I just delete this code and add from scratch, so you know how to working. So for this getting this repeater field, we use the if else loop, if and while loop for the repeating fields get. So generally for the ECF repeater, just type ECF repeater field to Google and first link open for the advanced custom field official website. And this is a basic information of ECF repeater fields and what is a subfields and collapse and whatever things over here. So this is a basic loop display as a slider. So we have just copy the basic loop from here. So just paste over here like the course member. For the better visualization, copy this and print in the echo. And with p tag. Here the semicolon. So just going to the front end, and the look is better than before. So this is a repeater field, how to showing on the front end and how to showing back end, and how to add the data, how to change the button name and rename the button, and condition for the repeater field. It's all about the ACF. So we will cover all the other fields like ACF repeater, have a contact form 7, have post field, have taxonomy, color picker, and so on. So we will cover more. We will create more video and cover most of the points from over here. So if you have any or any suggestion from this video, please comment below the comment section. We will reach you as soon as possible. If you are new on my channel, please like, share, and subscribe the video. Sorry, like, share my video and subscribe my channel so you don't miss out the new video from my channel. Thank you.